Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet 8035 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP OfficeJet 8035 support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet Pro 8035 all-in-one printer. Go ahead and open that up. And then underneath the support categories here, select software and drivers. And now scrolling down again, you want to select underneath the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software. Select the download button for that. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to run it. Give it a moment here. And should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Go ahead and select yes for the user account control prompt, and you can close out the browser too at this time. And then just allow this to proceed with the installation. And you can go ahead and accept or decline optional data. You may need some of that depending on different applications you may be using here for the HP applications or processes. You can opt out of certain features here too, just if you want to opt out of app analytics. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Again, just follow through with the on-screen directions, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.